What's up guys, and welcome to the channel, bringing you another how to mine video. I'm bringing you Scala XLA, which is recently rebranded from Torque. It is another CPU mineable coin. Scala is currently ranked at 989, currently worth at 0.0008 USD. Let's get into it, guys. First thing you're gonna need is Scala electronic wallet. The current one is 1.5.0. You gotta go down here, download whichever one you want. I have Windows 64. If you have Linux, hit the Linux one. Download and extract. Next thing you would need is the miner. Currently it's xlarig v5.0.1. Come down here, download either Linux, Mac, or Windows. I have Windows 64. Download and extract. And the last things that we're gonna need is the pools. There's two pools that I use. One is xla.pool.gntl.co.uk, or you can use the official Scala pool. Now, when you get in here, the two things that we're going to need from it is you can go under config file and we can copy the pool address. And the next thing is how to set up the port. Now, you can see there's a couple of different ports here. Go ahead and look at the description and check out how much hash rate your CPU does. So if you have like i3, like I do on one of the test rigs, it does 1000 hash rate. Ryzen 9 3900X, it does about 3000, so you can either put 8888 or 7777, whichever one is the closest to. Support is the difficulty you're going to be setting it to. Please check out your hardware and how much hash rate it does. Now, don't worry about any of these links, they all will be down below, as well as the config file for you guys. So let's get into it. Let's set up the wallet first. After downloading and extracting the wallet, this is what the folder looks like. Go ahead and double click on Scala electronic wallet. This is what's going to pop up. I'm going to select English, and it's going to ask you up here for the node. I put the Scala node here, and you're going to click next. This is going to just take a couple of seconds to load, and we have a couple more options to select before the wallet starts downloading. So you're going to hit create new wallet, name it whatever you want, and go ahead and create a password down here for more protection for yourself. And you're going to hit the create wallet. This should take about 30 to 60 seconds. After your wallet has synced, guys, you can see at the bottom right corner it says 611223 out of 611223 at 100%. And it will give you your seed word up here. Please don't show anybody your seed. This is yours only. Copy and paste it, put it in a little notepad file, get it off the computer. So whenever your wallet needs to be recovered, you can use this seed to recover it. The next thing that we will need is to open the wallet. And the last thing from the wallet that we need is the address. So go ahead and copy the address. This wallet does not need to stay open for you to mine to it. Now let's go to the miner and show you guys how to set up the XLA rig. After you're down, you load your XLA rig and extract it. You're going to have to create your own bat file. You can just double click, go to new, and it should open text document for you. That's where you copy your config file. Click save as .bat file. So let's open mine. Right click edit. So this is how we set it up. It's xlarig.exe. You need to put your pool that we copied in from before. Since this is my test rig with the i3 for the port, I'm going to put 7777 because the i3 does about 1000 hash rate. After that, you're going to enter your address. Password you can keep as X, and make sure the algo is defyx over here. So after that, all you have to do is close and save it. And you can right click your XLA rig, run as administrator, so you can activate the queue pages and get a little bit bump in your hash rate. And this is what it should look like when it's mining for you. You can see it's using 4 out of 4 threads on my i3. My queue pages are at 75%. If I right clicked it and ran as administrator, they should have been at 100%. And there's our first accept to share. I'm not going to keep this running. I'm going to go ahead and close it off. The next thing you want to see is how much are we getting paid out. So to do that, we're going to go back to the pool that we were using. So since I was using the GNTL pool for this test, if you go to dashboard, scroll down and enter your address right here, it's going to show what your current CPU is doing, your hash rate and everything else. So it's going to show your hash rate. So if it was about 1000 over here, it's going to show it. It's going to tell you how much estimated XLA you'll be earning with that CPU and how much fiat currency you've been earning. Alright guys, that's it for how to mine Scala XLA. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Hit the like button. As always guys, have a wonderful day.